This is Justin over here at Mizell Ford. I got this California Special you were interested in. Just came off the truck. I haven't even had a chance to pull the plastic off of it. So you're the first person to even really see it. The California Special, of course, is its own package with its own wheels, its own side stripe, front spoiler slash fascia, its billet grille in the front. It's a beautiful car, very limited production. Of course, you have the side scoops. You get the nice raised spoiler there in the rear, one of my favorite looks with the Mustang. Again, please ignore the tape and stuff on it because we just got it in. You've got the rear body ground to fix on this one as well. Just keeps it a little different. You've got the badging here for California Special on the trunk lid. Custom wheels. And it's got the premium interior. I'm sorry about the plastic again, but it does have the leather with the hand-stitched seats, the suede inserts. Heated seats, AM, FM, CD. The dash has the carbon fiber dash to it. Hope you can see that there. Got the Mustang pony in the door here. Illuminated door sills. The custom dash as well. The sync, Bluetooth, 6-speed manual. Hope this helps you for the quick video. And my name is Justin. We'll be in touch.